Meaning of gainfully.
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 Gainfully. Gainfully means to be employed in a way that produces financial or other advantages. When someone is gainfully employed, they are earning a living through legitimate and productive means. This term often refers to work that is meaningful, fulfilling, and worthwhile. It implies that the work is not only profitable but also provides a sense of purpose and personal growth. A gainfully employed person is able to support themselves and their family, live with dignity, and contribute positively to society. In short, gainfully describes a desirable state of employment that benefits both the individual and the broader community.